Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can enter map codes or island codes in Fortnite. Now this is a very quick and simple thing to do, so make sure you watch all the way to the end so you don't miss any important steps. Now the first thing you actually want to do is just load up Fortnite, and once you've got that opened it should look something like this. Now from here what we want to do is just go into the top left corner and we just want to look for this little magnifying glass icon, and we should find that just next to the play button. So go ahead and click on that, and then from here we have the chance to search for island names or codes. So all you have to do from here is go up to the search bar, and then you can paste in whatever island code you have, and then when you click enter you will see the map that you're looking for. So in order to play it from there you can just click on it. You can choose the island options, so you can choose your privacy and team fill options over here, and then when you're happy to get started you can just go ahead and click select. So that's exactly how you can enter map codes or island codes in Fortnite. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please comment down below to say this video helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.